Well, this is just going to be fun. I've got 9 beautiful fabrics. They're all designers. I can't tell you who's who, but I can tell you that the names are, we have a Pucci in here. We have several. Chloe, it's C-H-O-L-E, Chloe. We have Cavalli. We have Sarah Campbell. We have a couple others that won't let us use names, but I'm going to tell you some of them are even in Saks Fifth Avenue, but I can't even tell you that. But I can tell you that they're beautiful. They're all Italian. I'm going to go through them and show them to you. And they're all $29.99 for, would be Wednesday and Thursday. All right, so, because these will go up on Wednesday. So here we start. And I know if you all know some of your designers, you're gonna know some of these. Anyway, this is 100% viscose. It is a knit with stretch in both directions. And it is just lovely and very indicative of the designer, but we can't say who, okay? Then we have, I love this, also very indicative of the designer. Just really beautiful, the kind of, well, I can't say that. Anyway, leopard kind of gives it away. I mean, the snake kind of gives it away. But beautiful colors. Again, this is 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. Great drape. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. This is a cotton lycra. Has stretch in both directions. Really nice hand. Very nice hand. You can see all these colors are so current. I think that's what I love about them. They just look so fresh. Then we have some wovens. And this is the maps of different sailing places. So we have Nantucket Island. We have Nantucket Sound, Martha's Vineyard. It's just cool fabric. It's really pretty. 100% cotton, and it's a woven. All right, then we have, this is also 100% cotton. I'm sorry, this is a viscose linen. This is really beautiful. And I know for a fact it was done, a dress was done out of this, but that's all I can tell you. This is a viscose linen, and it's really pretty. It's a woven. Okay, look at some of these. Isn't that beautiful? This is a viscose crepe, 100% viscose crepe. The weave is a crepe. Very pretty drape. It is a woven, but you can see those colors are just stunning. Goes with our some of our solids that we've put up that are cotton. It goes really pretty. This is 100% viscose. Isn't that beautiful? And you can find this one at Saks currently if you look hard enough. But again, I'm not allowed to say. 100% viscose. It is a woven. This also 100% cotton. It is a woven. Isn't that pretty? Just pretty. They're just pretty. They're so springy and so summery. This is a cotton lycra. Has stretch in one direction. And so that means stretch, and it's a cotton lycra. You get blues, you got your little coffee in there, a little tan, white. Very pretty jacket, I think. It just screams jacket to me. I just love it. Okay, so there you have it. There's 9. They're all $29.99 for Wednesday and Thursday. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.